Morgan Elwy.
Class. Legend.
Right, beth dwi'n neud then? Oh, that's delicious.
Queen. Legendary. Good. Oh, wait, the Queen or the band Queen?
They're all going to be bands?
They're all going to be bands.
Okay. Legendary.
Super Furry Animals.
What's best of all time?
Ygorau.
Oh, legend.
Led Zeppelin.
Overrated. Overrated is a good one.
I think the drums are good, but the riffs are like pretty derivative. Ripped them all off black blues artists.
Also, the singing is, I think we can all say it now, he's done fairly well off the music. Terrible.
Your favourite Led Zeppelin member, Tim?
Robert Plant.
Ysgol Sul.
Aberystwyth.
Stunning. Underrated. Fi'n colli Ysgol Sul gymaint. Os mae Ysgol Sul yn gwrando ar hwn, please dewch nôl, mae pawb yn bego.
U2.
iPod.
Eyesight. No, he's got
glaucoma.
He's got glaucoma.
He did that thing where they made their album like mandatory. I actually quite liked it. It was a bit Chairman Mao of U2 to do that.
Yeah, it
I
was.
liked If we could do that, I would. Everyone's got to have our album.
If anyone could do what Chairman Mao got away with, they would.
Say that, Bono.
U2? Overrated. Dim mam yn casau Bono.
Band pres Carreg.
Llanrhech Lib.
Radio Sydd.
Anhygoel. Tiwniwch mewn.
Afawl.
Creed.
Unfamiliar.
Christian. I think it's one of the only Christian rock bands I like.
I don't know Creed. Metal.
6 feet from the edge.
Okay, that
I'm
close.
thinking.
Consider yourselves a Christian band.
My mum's called Christine.
Mainir Gwilym.
Allai wneud araith am Maynard Gwilym. Obsessed.
Cool.
Cynnes. Staple.
Rydw i Stafus.
Class.
Mae fo'n cysau nhw.
Clasur. T-Ham.
Mr Dew.
Mr. Dew.
Bob Geldof.
Nice. What a shit word.
Underappreciated. Tory.
Chwarae teg. Ddim am y Tory thing. I'm a charity.
Morrissey.
Tory.
Controversial. Amharchus.
Topical. Sais. Dadniol.
Twat.
It's a good word.
You're all right, mate. You're all right.
That's good. That's good one. Nickelback.
Wannabes.
Spider-Man.
Do you know what? I've drawn a blank. Rockstar.
How you remind me?
Yeah. I don't think they're that bad, Nickelback.
No, I know who they are. I just, for some reason, refuse to give a word.
Sorry, it's just one of my rules. I don't talk about that.
Oh, it was on the rider.
Cringe.
Suki Boscawen.
Sensational. Fi mewn mae Suki Pascawen oedd fel my first love o music Cymraeg.
Quirky? O'n i'n mynd i ddyn a bit wacky.
Uwcs a Doyle.
Oh, cymleth.
Anweledig.
Swnllyd. Yna. Maen nhw yna, dyn nhw.
Legendary. Kai Nevin.
Good daith ein fran.
Oh, Maggie. That was my shit.
Magwraeth.
Magwraeth. Oh, ti'n ennill.
Lovely boys. Super.